Why type when you can talk and let Google Docs do all the work for you? Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use voice typing in Google Docs so you can create documents faster and easier, perfect for multitasking or just giving your fingers a break. So, let's get started. First, on your browser, click the square dot on the upper right. Scroll down and click Google Docs. Tap blank document to open a new one. Next, at the top, go to the Tools menu and select Voice Typing. You will see a small microphone icon appear on the left side of your document. So when you're ready, click the microphone, speak clearly, and watch as Google types everything you say in real time. Let's try. Hi, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Good job. It's nice to hear you. As you can see, Google Docs types everything you said. The good thing, you can even say commands like new paragraph or period to format your text without touching the keyboard. And once you're done, click the microphone again to stop recording. And that's it. You've just turned your voice into words effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it to your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching.